Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I'll be wearing some orange hair in this video and I'll be doing an orange cut crease. So I'm just going straight in with some brown, and this is the base color, and then I'm going in with some orange over that. So I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to cut my crease. So I'm just going in with some dark brown. I'm just placing that right there just to blend the colors together some more. And just patting that in, building it up. So I'm just using a very light brown, and I'm just using that to set the concealer, and then I'll be using my glitter glue and placing that right above the cut crease, and I'll be adding some glitter to that. Nothing too extra, just a little sparks. Yeah, so I'm just doing just that. So right after I outlined my lips, I couldn't find any orange lipstick, lip gloss or anything like that. So you know what I did, guys? I went in with some eyeshadow. So I'm just patting that on my lip right now, and I'm just going to pop some gloss on, and look at that. Look at the hair.